First go to Play Store. Then search for Infiquiz. Infiquiz. So here is that app. Install it. My app is installed. Let us open it. It will ask for your mobile number. So you will give your mobile number. Okay. So it will ask for an OTP. Wait for the OTP. Yes, here it is. So it is asking for your name. I'm giving any name and email ID. Want to sign in as a parent? No. If you are a student, don't toggle this button. Let's get started. So you are here inside the application. Now you have to add inside a batch. So click this plus button and it will ask for a batch code. The batch code will be sent to you by your teacher. So ask your teacher for the batch code if you haven't received it yet. So you have sent a request to your teacher and your teacher will accept your request, then only you will be added inside the batch. So wait for your teacher to accept it. So here the teacher has accepted my request. Let's see now what happens. So here it is the batch. It is a testing batch. So I have been added inside a testing batch, and when you click inside this batch, there are several things you will find: overview, assignments, if any, announcements, and the most important thing is the test. Here you can see that the test has a window from May 28 12 p.m. to May 29 12 10 p.m. You can attempt this test from here also. If you click the attempt button, you will be redirected to the test window. But I will suggest you not to attempt your test from your mobile phone because some diagrams may not be clearly visible. You can attempt your test in your laptop or PCs. There may be some video that your teacher has assigned. You can see those videos for your reference. Also, there may be some study materials. If your teacher has given it in your application, you can find it here. And now I will go to the PC and I will show you how to take the test from your PC. Now let us see how can we access the Infiquiz application from our laptop or PC. So here you have to type this URL www.infiquiz.com. Okay. So once you are here in this website, it will again ask you for your mobile number. It will ask for another OTP. Now you can see this is your profile and it is the batch where your teacher has added you. So go into the batch and you will find all the things that we have seen in your mobile application. I was talking about the test. You can take the test from here. If you take this attempt test, then this window will open. When you click onto the next button, you have to agree this and then attempt test. So you will see that this is a test and you can mark any option. You can also choose the different types of questions from numerical type or single correct type. You can toggle the question from here. So all the facilities that you will see in real-time JEE Advanced or main test, you will find the same things here also, right? So you can take your test and you will submit the test. Here you will find the time also, the time left for your test. And remember two things, that don't be idle in a particular question for a long time. You can click here and there, but if you sit idle in a particular question for more than 10 minutes, then this test will be auto submitted. Another thing is that don't leave this window until you finish this entire test. Otherwise, when you come back, there may be a chance that the test will get auto submitted. So you have to be in this window for next 1 hour, and if you have finished your test, you can definitely submit and get out of this test. So once you are done, you will find your score, and once the test window is over, you will find your result as well. So that's all about the Infiquiz app in a nutshell. There are so many things, other things also, that you can search here. You can go to your mobile application and explore the other things also. And if you need further clarification of anything, you can call me in the number provided by your teacher. Thank you.